Forward progress. That's what we got going on today. Found out our foundation right where the septic line goes is a little, we had some woodchucks in here, looks like. So first thing we're going to have to do is rebuild this wall. Planning on doing it anyways. So and then we got 16-foot perfect for there. That's where the room starts. Forward progress, forward progress. Lots of materials. There was floors built on floors. It was the craziest thing. Got some more beams for the track. Got lots of extra insulation and materials for later. Be able to salvage a lot of it. But yeah, we're looking good. Looking good. Day 2. Now we're playing. We're backblading. We're gonna play over here and clear the track out. So next update will be, you'll see that all done. So, yeah. Forward progress. Forward progress. Day 2. Hope you dig. I'll see you when I see you. Boys are learning how to backblade. Tractor time. School's in session. One of our boys, Damon. Only one I got left. It's a good boy. It's going to be nice and clear on the other side of the track when he's done. It's going to clear all that out. Hopefully he'll be coming up low and slow. That's the way I taught him. It ain't a race. And how quick you get in there. Very good. He's taking little pieces at a time, like I told him. A lot of there's an old rock pile there. And then the septic is over this way, so we got to be careful. We're going to be backfilling all the septic and raising everything up because we're going to add some people to the house, so you got to think about that. We'll put some more tile line in. Stuff the city folk don't worry about. Anyways. I was hoping he was going to poke through, but he's being real careful. That's good. Well, I'll come back once he gets a little more done. He's going to be slow, but that's good. A little further along. Just going to get some of them vines. There you go. Smash it. Well, we got our sub, so just about dinner time. Have to get him off the tractor. There's also this carpet in there too. So we got another piece of carpet for the track. Another bonus. Looks good. Looks good. Just got to cut in a little bit more up here. In this section. Looks good. Yeah, he went right back at it after he ate his sub. What a good boy. Looking good, looking good. Might be boring to you guys, but I dig tractors. And I dig boys learning. He's 17. I've had him for 3 years now, entire COVID time. He was picking berries with me while the rest of the world was shut down. We were living large. Anyways. Almost done.